Today is August the 20th, and Sparky has his second cicada of the year, and they're all around here, but they're so hard to catch. But LP caught that in a can, and I have devised a way of feeding it. If you have like a large can, and then you have a thin piece of cardboard, or I just used a part off of a tissue box, and you put it over the box or over the can, and then you take and you tilt the can and have the cicada up against the cardboard or tissue box piece, tissue box, and then you let your turtle see the cicada. So Sparky, I just eased it where just its head was peeking out. So Sparky grabbed it right behind the neck and got it. Now he spits out the wings. I have another one of feeding him a cicada that's better than this, because this is at the tail end of him eating it. But they're all around here, but they're so hard to catch. But one year I was able, they were all over the bushes, and I was able to just get him one after another and feed him. Well, what's wrong, Spark? Did you get a chunk of wing? Got to get that spit out. Spit out that wing. That's just would be fiber in there. You don't want that, do you? You don't want that fiber. That's it, guys.